1 cup of almond milk. We have 3/4 cup of flour. We have 1 teaspoon of onion powder, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder. We're going to put in a big pinch of salt, about the same amount of pepper, and we're going to mix it up. Here we go. Now cauliflower. I'm going to take the tip of my knife, and then I'm just going to kind of rotate around, and I'm just going to pull this out. With the tip of your knife, and just cut right through the stem. We want them all about the same size so they all cook in roughly the same amount of time. Mix this all up, make sure all the cauliflowers are covered. Just batter these. And then what we're going to do, so we have the oven heated into 450. I'm going to pop these guys in the oven for 20 minutes. We'll take them out, we'll flip them, and we'll pop them for another 20. These actually look pretty good, guys. These have to go back in for another 20 minutes. Nice. Oh god. Look how nice that looks. These are going to be delicious. Oh my god. That's really good.